Two heavyweights in business intelligence. One big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Microsoft Power BI, seamless analytics for Microsoft-first teams. And on the right, Tableau, powerful visual analytics for deeper insight. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
Let's lay out what we're comparing. Price, because honestly, who doesn't care about saving some cash? Ease of use, you want to get your dashboard rolling ASAP, right? Visualization power, the more eye candy, the better. Integration and ecosystem, does it play nice with all your other tools? Advanced analytics and AI, got to get those predictions in. And finally, best use cases. Got it? Let's get into each one. First up, price. So Power BI comes out swinging with super affordable licensing. Like, you can grab it for around $10 to $20 per user per month, which is wild. Oh, and if you're already deep in the Microsoft universe, sometimes it's bundled in your existing subscription. That's a lower entry cost, which honestly is awesome for small businesses not looking to spend big bucks. There's a little catch because some enterprise features still bump up the price, but overall, it's a total steal. Now, Tableau, yeah, you get flexible deployment options on premises if that's your jam, or cloud, but oof, the pricing gets a bit mysterious and, let's say, robust, especially as you scale up. Like, if you want the whole enterprise package, prepare yourself. Tableau's not shy about charging for those features and being less clear about big deployments. So, for price, Power BI totally wins this round. Next, ease of use. With Power BI, you've got this super intuitive drag and drop thing going on. And if you're already using Microsoft stuff, onboarding is ridiculously quick. The documentation is solid, though I'll admit, the interface can feel kinda overwhelming the first couple of times. Stick with it though, and you're golden. Tableau, on the other hand, is, well, it's customizable, and once you wrangle it, you can make these insane dashboards. But getting there, honestly, it's got a legit steep learning curve. If you're not super technical, you might feel a bit lost at first. So for most folks, Power BI is just more welcoming, making it the winner for ease of use.
All right, time for some eye candy. Visualization power. Power BI packs in a bunch of built-in charts, donut charts, heat maps, you name it. And hey, Copilot is a cool AI-powered feature if you love a shortcut. But if you want the really, really advanced stuff, sometimes you need to dig into third-party extensions. Now, Tableau? Wow. This is where it flexes. The visualization options are just next level. Like, if you care about showing off complex data in jaw-dropping ways, Tableau does it. You get custom visual extensions, crazy detail, and it's basically the tool if you want your data dashboard to impress at the highest level. There's a bit of interface clutter, especially if you're just starting out, and it can lag with huge datasets, but honestly, in terms of pure visualization muscle, Tableau takes this round.
Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Power BI and Tableau dashboards actually get used side by side in a lot of Fortune 500 companies. Yeah, people mix and match them to get maximum insight. Wild, right?
Moving on to integration and ecosystem. Power BI is a native pro with Microsoft 365, Azure, SharePoint, Teams, all that good stuff. It also plays nice with a bunch of other connectors and even developer tools like GitHub. The downside, it doesn't always cover every popular SaaS. So, like if you run with Slack or ServiceNow, it's a little patchy. Now, Tableau does sweet integration with Salesforce, Google Analytics, QuickBooks, Zapier, ServiceNow, SAP, the list goes on. Plus, you get extensions for custom visuals. But awkwardly, there's no native Azure or GitHub hookup, and some integrations aren't as tight for huge enterprises. Overall, Power BI's ecosystem fits best for companies already deep in Microsoft, which gives it the win here. Let's talk advanced analytics and AI. Power BI's got Copilot, which is this handy AI assistant that helps you explore data quickly. And the forecasting tools are solid if you're willing to upgrade a bit. For most enterprise analytics, it's strong. But if your data gets super complicated or massive, it sometimes chokes. Tableau, though, man, it shines here. You can do predictive modeling, get spatial/geo analytics, dive into totally custom calculations. All stuff that data scientists geek out over. Downside? you need serious expertise to really use those features. And performance can dip if you're throwing enormous data at it. But still, for raw analytics and AI, Tableau wins this one. Now, best use cases. Power BI is pretty much built for financial analysts, retail, IT departments, healthcare, and honestly, any org that's all in on Microsoft. Super versatile, especially for SMBs and those wanting a smooth process. Tableau, though, is a go-to for data science teams, healthcare researchers, marketing, customer analytics, and seriously big enterprises with wild amounts of data. Honestly, both of these tools own their spaces, so no real winner here, they just serve different crowds.
Let's take a second and review how these two stack up, category by category. Power BI holds the edge in price, ease of use, and integration. Tableau crushes it in visualization and analytics. Use cases seriously depends on your team and what you need most. So here's my honest take. If you're already using Microsoft apps and you want something affordable that gets up and running fast, Power BI's your best bet. If you're in data science, research, or you want to wow everyone with crazy dashboards and deep analytics, Tableau is where it's at.
All right, which analytics tool do you think would take your data game up a notch? My advice, give both a demo spin before you decide which one gets to be your BI champion.